Hi, how are you? Today I'm going to draw the flag of Hong Kong. This is a big canvas. You can see also a radius and the radially distributed leaf here in the middle. There are 5 petals here, and around it we can put the red color for whole rectangular sections. So the rectangle here is previously done, and I'm just filling up the red color all around this symbol in the middle. All right. Okay, so some colors are yet to be done in the middle portion of this drawing. As you know, I'm putting more emphasis on drawing, so I'm talking less today. No problem. The thing is that I have to fill up the middle portion with the equal red color, which is uniform in shades. That's how the flag is going to look better. All right. This is the last portion, which is white until now. So I'm going to fill up this part, and the filling up is complete. You can see that whole flag has a red canvas behind these white flowers petals. All right. Okay. All right. So this is the flag of Hong Kong. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icons on to get the more updates. You can also browse to the playlist to select your drawings from different categories. We have lots of drawings out there. Thank you so much. Have a good day.